Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane and today's date is 3rd December 2021 and today's topic is methods in Java. So why we are use methods? Sometimes our program is grow in size and we want to separate the logic meant to other methods. So what is methods? Method is a way to perform a task. Method is a set of block of code. Method is a collection of instruction and perform this specific task. By using method we can reuse the code. The method declaration. So its example is public int add in parenthesis int a comma int b. We can discuss the method declaration one by one. So what is public? Public is the access modifier in the Java. There are 4 types of access modifier, that is a public, private, protected and default. So we public the use anywhere in the class and outside the package, inside the package and outside the class. The next is a int. Int is a return type, so we can return the value at the end of the method by using return type. Next is a method name. The method name is add. So we can, if we create the object of this class, so we can call the this method by using this method name, that is a add. Next is parameters, that is in parenthesis int a comma int b. If we are use parameters, then we use the parameter in the method. The parameter, the method is with parameter and with non-parameter. Next is method body. In the curly braces we can write the code of the method. Next is the types of methods. First is a predefined method and second is a user defined method. The predefined method is already defined in the Java class library, that is a length length parenthesis. The predefined method means is already defined in the Java class library. Next is a user defined method. User defined method means the methods is defined by the user, that is add, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Next content is a static method. So what is static method? If we are use the static keyword in the method, so that method is known as static method. Static method, if we are use static method, then we don't want to don't need to create the object. Next is instance method. So instance method is also known as non-static method, that is a getter and setter method. If getter is a accessor method and setter is a mutator method. Next is abstract method. The method has does not body is known as abstract method. Next content is method overloading. So what is method overloading? Method overloading means method name has this method name is same but has different parameter, is known as method overloading. Next content is method overriding. The method overriding means in a child class, if we are use the same method name and same parameter in the child class and it's declared in the parent class has same method name and same parameter, that is known as method overriding. Next content is we cannot override the static method in the Java. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.